Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's your Bianca Beletta Girls TV. Happy New Year to everybody out there. Thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. You can see the way I'm dressing. Today is the first day of January 2021. The 1st of 1st 2021. What a special day. What a special moment for somebody so special. But before you know, here's this special person. Help me to subscribe, help me to share, help me to like at the same time. Thank you for tuning in. It's still your baby girl, your BBG, Bianca Beletta Girls TV. Thank you for coming. So, the special person that I'm talking about today, guys. The special person that I'm talking today is Omone Mose Mose. Omone Mose Mose. When I say Omone Tolobo, Mo Tolobo, you guys know what I mean already. What I'm referring to. Omone Mose Mose. Omonogie. Okonogie. Ije no gie. A wifey no gie. Ohoma no gie. Ah, God. The Lolo one in Kitch. The Lolo Chinyere. Which is Ago Iwanyi. Mrs. Ago Iwanyi. That is the Lola that I used to. The name I used to know out in 2016. 17 or so on Facebook. I believe she never changed the name. I believe she never changed it. That she still have that same name. Lolo Shinyere Agumwai. We used to know her then. And now, according to the many things that she has been doing, the great thing that she has been doing, her name is no longer Ole Lolo Chinyere Agumwai. She is now Mommy Yore one of Paris. Mommy Yore one of Paris. Salt and Water Ministry. The mother of Salt and Water Ministry all over the world. No number 2, no number 3. One of Paris. So guys, I'm about to wish her happy birthday. But before I start with the happy birthday, which is, let me sing for you. Let me sing for this special, wonderful. For Yenogi, Honomose, Wende Mose Mose. There is one thing I want to clarify on this video. Mommy Yore, one of Paris. Maybe I may be using English or Edo. Guys, permission me. If I use Edo, like the honor, we give honor to all on your deals. It's not because I'm not good in English. Anyhow, you get my English fine, it's okay. So why am I saying this? On that very video, she was like, don't know when you say, uno why dole woechi, uno why weni, many things she was saying. Not tell money. Nobody could say one out of all the people that are doing live video. But at the same time, what I find in that video, and Nimere Begin and all of that, mommy, in the category you bring out, none of them, okay? So, everything you are doing, everybody have their own call according to what Daddy said, what Igwe said. Everybody have their call. A call you anything, or see him not take the place, and nobody will take it away from you. You are the queen of Salt and Water Ministry. You are the mother of Salt and Water Ministry. You remain. I'm not about to collect a boy because one more, so nobody will take place. You are always number one in it. Nobody will take that place from you. You understand, mommy? Young boy. That was just it. You know, Gele. Continue those good work. Continue supporting everybody. Continue supporting the less privileged. Continue supporting the people that need the help from you, mommy. God bless you, more grace. Let me sing now. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Hey, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, oh, happy birthday, happy birthday, oh, happy birthday, hey, hey, happy birthday, hey, happy birthday. You got some our way with Zawena, we make copy, and in a balletona who believe. Egbewa wohin. The godmother and even now we one woman, but then no name of you, the very ya what ye may ya love ye, but now we or special be. Or special, but on one guy got some video na ya like YouTube. Ya posted there now at the center there now there here with the video. Ya so na do I we hit Ugballeto na you know yeti. But again now according to the kind of person she is, Ugballeto ya we happy birthday because traditional woman, you know, not only traditional woman, the queen, the mother of Salt and Water Ministry. Hello guys, it's a big respect to her, okay? That is why I did this very video. A big respect that I have for her. Keep watching. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Congratulations to you. I from Bianca Bellezza Girls TV, from the family of Bianca Bellezza Girls TV, all the way from Lecco, Italy, we are wishing you happy birthday. And from the special, wonderful people of you, your great children, your great supporter, your great evangelists, they asked me to wish you happy birthday, and I said I'm gonna do it for you. They asked for it, and that is why I try so much. I'm so tired. You can look at my eyes. But special way, and now we are almost to wish you. You get that way, equal. So happy birthday to you, Jenogi. May God in heaven bless you. May whatever that come out of you be favored, be flourished, be blessings. In the mighty name of Jesus. May the blessed one call you blessed. May the great queens and king stand up for your horizon in the name of Jesus. May the queen of the England shake your hands and say, well done, you are doing well in the mighty name of Jesus. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm too sensitive, guys. Anything I always have a goosebumps. What is that? I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, why? But I believe it's for great because it's coming out from the heart, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the good things you have been doing, Mom. You're the one of Paris, Salt and Water Ministry. We appreciate you. The world will celebrate you. From the bottom of our heart, we celebrate you. Mom, you're the one of Paris, the queen, the mother of Salt and Water Ministry. Musiba. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Wishing you all you wish yourself. But the only thing he said to you, be say your way, ya ve ho ya no no saloba unu oga we no ni Jesu eni ka oga we no ni Jesu o saretin we ni Jesu wa yoro oga we no wa lobi oga kemi ri boy upona na lie na 2021 na oga mani gi oga we oga mani gwe oga mani every members, the evangelists, the great people supporting you, that have you, that love you, oga mani ni Jesu edi oga ji ise eni ka ogbi say mai ise. Congratulations and happy birthday to you. Congratulations, mommy. More to celebrate. You remain the queen of mommy one. You're the one of Paris, the queen of Salt and Water Ministry. Continue doing your work. Don't give up. Ege no mau awe men enyesinu o salo boy was no na tie we ladian ona ze we ladian wo gbe ona no weze eri o heki no gaji salo ba mu ona no waze u take place ni and the place ni eyo ma ya gigbo we go awe kakabo because salo boy was no na mu na mujivani meti egbe me ya giwa because nyeke no salo boy energy u gbe da do salo boy ke no ri eji idole video na ni we wish you happy birthday Ijenogi wa talk be bagbon long life and prosperity inu riri your boy imi no ma hin oga hin imi no ma mi no muse fe wa mose ni igwa iwa agun we ri ono yo ho ya gbe. Congratulations Musiba call Ijenogi. Congratulations and I wish you happy birthday. blessings and grace upon you, upon all the members of Salt of Water Ministry. Through this video, I appreciate all the love I've received so far. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. When I was here, because a no man who or see can I not me where on YouTube? If you when you want no man or all, and what if or money, West, Safiambo, because we monogi at the whole and having one. Continue the good work. You know, you're in here by saying, right, so we are on. All the members of Salt and Water Ministry. Congratulations for the queen that was born on a great day. The first day. Even if it's not today, but I believe it's today or on the 3rd. I thought it was on the 3rd. That is why I was like, okay, maybe tomorrow I will try. But when I heard that it was today, I said, God. Agbaleto ya wish mommy Yuri happy birthday. Agbaleto ya wish happy birthday. Cause a glory you know. Women itanaji. A glory you know. Mala koko bo wa hinje melogi. Osi eni na eni yana. Why ko continue your good work. Msano fiambo. Society way. Everyone supporting her. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for the support of last time. I appreciate you all, guys. Or just that, but I can't keep it in me, but I did it, and you guys appreciate it. Congratulations and happy birthday to Mommy. You're the one of Paris or Safiango. Why cool? Thank you and happy birthday once again. Hey, happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, oh, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, oh, hey, happy birthday. When you take when you pay because of copyright, you have the moment. It a YouTube na ni ada be mu fo na ni ma ni ada be mo na go to again. So it down we get you no give na you know where you one way manage cause you. Bye bye everybody. Thank you for celebrating Mommy Yuri. God in heaven will bless you. God bless you. God is your strength. God will strengthen you, Mommy Yuri, one of Paris. I appreciate you, sweet Mommy Yuri. Yenogi, Wonomose, Wesi, Sareti, Wenikau, Wasu, Enika, I killed them. Or I killed them when he have no kaki, he had no needs of more prayer. Sofian Bojenogi Mosibe. Bye guys. Bye bye mommy and everybody. Bye bye.